this video, I'll be showing you how to convert your videos to text for free. Now run to your browser and type happyscribe.com. Now when you get to their homepage, you're going to see a list of their products. Now we are going with the second one, video to text. You will click on that one. Click on it and upload your video. Now the upload time will vary depending on the length of your video. For the sample, I'm using a very short video, so it might not take long to upload. Now after it has been uploaded to the interface, it will ask you to choose what language you want to convert it to. I'm choosing English US, and then after that the transcription will start, but you'll be required to sign up. I'm choosing to sign up with Google. You can decide to do the same. So after signing up, you'll be asked, what are you here for? I'm choosing work, and then you also be asked for permission to use your data to train the AI. You can decline or accept if you want. And then afterwards, your file would have generated and you will see the text in your dashboard. Now this is the text I got from my video, and you can see that it's just exactly where I stopped at the video. That was where the text stopped. So you can try this out. If you're interested in getting daily tips like this, subscribe so that you get to know when I upload a new video. But for now, check out this playlist as I update it regularly with video and CapCut tips.